On behalf of the people of East Turkestan, I want to wish all the Muslims across the world a happy and blessed Eid al-Fitr. This Eid al-Fitr, Muslims across the world are stuck in their homes and prevented from going to the mosques to pray Salat al-Fitr as a result of China's coronavirus. For years, China has banned every aspect of Ramadan and Eid in East Turkestan. East Turkestani Muslims have been prevented from praying not only Salat al-Fitr, but also Salat al-Jummah and their 5 daily prayers. During the month of Ramadan, East Turkestani Muslims have been forced to eat pork, drink alcohol, and smoke cigarettes to prove that they are not fasting. Millions of East Turkestani Muslims have been sent to concentration camps, prisons, and slave labor camps over the years, while the international community, especially the Muslim world, stood silent. As Muslims, our deen requires us to help one another and to help the oppressed. Thus, I call on every Muslim across the world to, at the very least, pray for an end to China's ruthless occupation and oppression in East Turkestan. I ask you to refrain from enabling the Chinese oppression in East Turkestan by boycotting Made in China. I ask you to call on your community leaders, religious leaders, and governments to take action to help liberate East Turkestan and its people from China's oppression and occupation. May Allah protect all the people across the world, including the people of East Turkestan, from oppression. May Allah soften the hearts of world leaders and give them the strength to stand up against China's oppression in occupied East Turkestan. Once again, I wish everyone a happy and blessed Eid al-Fitr. Assalamu alaikum.